let's dive into the top 5 questions about AI. Where does AI learn to create?
AI doesn't go to school like we do, but it does learn from lots and lots of examples. Think of it like this. If you wanted to draw a cat, you'd look at tons of pictures of cats first. After seeing enough, you'd know how to draw one on your own. That's what AI does. It's trained on huge collections of text, images, or sounds. By studying patterns, like how words fit together in sentences or how shapes make up a picture, it learns the rules without anyone telling it each step. Then, when you ask it to write a story, make art, or create music, it mixes everything it learned and produces something new. So, AI learns to create by practicing with mountains of examples, just like we get better at things by practicing over and over.
What's the difference between ANI, AGI, and ASI?
ANI stands for Artificial Narrow Intelligence. That's AI that can do one thing really well, like play chess, translate languages, or recommend movies. But if you ask it to bake a cake or clean your room, it has no idea what to do. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. That's the kind of AI that could think and learn like a human. It wouldn't just know one skill. It could solve problems in many areas, switch tasks, and even learn new things on its own. ASI stands for Artificial Superintelligence. That's the sci-fi level AI, smarter than the best human brains in everything: science, art, problem solving, you name it. It's the stage people imagine in movies where AI might invent things we can't even understand. So, ANI equals smart at one thing. AGI equals smart like a person. ASI equals way smarter than people.
What is RAG?
RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. But don't worry, that's just a big phrase for a simple idea. Normally, an AI only knows what it learned during training. If you ask it about something new, it might guess or get it wrong. RAG helps fix that. When you ask a question, the AI first retrieves fresh information from outside sources, like searching notes in a library. Then it augments its answer by combining what it already knows with what it just found. It's like doing homework with a textbook. Your brain has knowledge, but you check the book to make sure you're right. So RAG equals AI that looks things up before answering instead of just guessing.
Why are so many AI assistants female?
Most AI voices, like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, sound like women. But why? Researchers found that people usually think female voices sound more friendly, helpful, and less intimidating. That's why companies often choose them. Also, studies showed that both men and women tend to trust a female voice when it's giving instructions or information. But not all AI assistants are female. Some now let you pick between male, female, or even different accents. So the reason many AIs sound female is because it feels natural and easy to listen to, not because AIs are really women.
What is the difference between CPU, GPU, and TPU?
A CPU is the main brain of your computer. It's really good at doing lots of different tasks, but usually one at a time. Think of it like a smart student who can solve any subject, but carefully and step by step. A GPU is like a team of students all working together on the same problem. Instead of doing one thing at a time, they split it up and solve many pieces at once. That's why GPUs are great for video games and graphics. They can handle thousands of tiny calculations at the same time. A TPU is a special kind of brain built just for one subject: artificial intelligence. It doesn't try to do everything like the CPU or graphics like the GPU. It's designed only for machine learning, which makes it super fast at training and running AI models. So, CPU equals the all-around brain. GPU equals the teamwork brain for graphics and big tasks. TPU equals the AI-only brain.